And for beginners, the easiest way to set up an OpenClaw VPS is with Hostinger. That's because they have a one-click OpenClaw template that deploys everything automatically and gets you set up fast. So go to the link you see on screen right now, or click the first link in the video description. That's going to take you to the correct page for setting this up, and it's also going to save you an extra 10% off any VPS plan. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Start by choosing your VPS plan. By default, this will be set to KVM2. However, if you want to start small, you can also set this to KVM1 and upgrade your plan later on if you need more resources. Once you choose your plan, go down and click on Deploy. On this page here, start by choosing your billing period. By default, this will be set to 24 months, and that's going to maximize your savings. However, you can also switch this from 12 months and 1 month plans as well. I wouldn't recommend choosing the 1 month plan because it ends up being way more expensive later on. So to stay in the middle and still get plenty of savings, I'm going to go with the 12-month plan. Choosing that plan will also still get us access to the extra discount. Scrolling down, you'll see this option here that says Ready to Use AI. I'd recommend turning this off. We're going to add our own API keys later on in the video. You'll also see an option for daily auto backups. This is a great option if you want to add it, but I'm going to teach you how to create manual snapshots within your Hostinger dashboard so that way you can manually back up your VPS. Lastly, choose your server location. Just choose the option that's closest to you. Once you're done here, scroll back up to the top and click on Continue. From there, you'll create an account with Hostinger and go through the payment process. Once you're done with payment, you should land on the configuration page for your OpenClaw deployment. On this screen, you'll see a field that says OpenClaw Gateway Token. Go ahead and copy that. Make sure you keep this safe and don't share it with anyone. Treat it like a password. If someone has your gateway token, they can access your OpenClaw dashboard, which would not be good. So copy it and store it somewhere safe. Next, we need to give OpenClaw a brain. This is where your AI model comes in through an API key, like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Gemini. On the same Hostinger page, you should see a field where you can paste in your API key. If you already have an API key, paste it in here. If you don't, you'll need to go to the AI model provider site, create a key, and add credits or billing so it can actually run. I'm going to be using Anthropic for my OpenClaw assistant. I'll also leave links in the description for the other API key dashboards, just in case you're not sure where to go to create this. One quick thing to understand here is that using an API costs money because every request you send to the AI model is billed based on usage. So with your model's billing settings, make sure you set a spend limit. You don't want to accidentally leave this unlimited and end up with a huge surprise bill. So set a limit you're comfortable with, save it, and then come back to Hostinger. All right, now that your API key is pasted in and you've got your spend limit set, the last step on this page is to deploy. Go ahead and click on Deploy, and Hostinger is going to deploy OpenClaw automatically using the template. This can take a few minutes to complete, so I'm going to skip ahead once it's finished. Awesome. As you can see, our OpenClaw container is now running. What you're looking at here is Hostinger's Docker Manager. In simple terms, this is the control panel for anything you run using Docker. Right now we're using it for OpenClaw, but later on you can also deploy other apps the same way. If you ever need to manage your OpenClaw setup or find your tokens again, click Manage. Then scroll down to the Environment tab and expand it. This is where you can view your OpenClaw Gateway token again, along with any API keys and other settings. If you ever need to add or update environment variables in the future, this is where you'll do it. Next, to open your OpenClaw dashboard, scroll back up the page and click on this purple link here. Paste in your OpenClaw Gateway token, then click Login. Once you're in, you'll land on the OpenClaw dashboard. On the left, click into Overview and make sure your status shows is connected. If it doesn't, paste in your gateway token here and click Connect.